Mr. Negrete, you're charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
This is more than just a traffic ticket. Tracing charges can land you in jail. And yeah, that $2,000 fine. Just the beginning.
24. Officer observed two motor vehicles traveling on West Grand Parkway in Harris County, Texas. Officer observed the motor vehicles positioned side by side, slowed at pace, then one motor vehicle sped off excessively, then slowed to a speed where both motor vehicles were side by side. The officer observed this on 3 occasions. Officer observed both motor vehicles come to a stop at an intersection, roll down the windows, and appear to communicate. Officer observed both motor vehicles rev their engines and speed off excessively when the light changed. A traffic stop was initiated and one motor vehicle sped off. Officer made contact with the defendant. The defendant stated he did not know the driver of the other motor vehicle. He intentionally placed the motor vehicle side by side with the other motor vehicle and stated, "We were rolling," when asked about the purpose of the position. The defendant stated they wanted to find out which car could go faster. He has an eligible driver's license.
Do you have any kind of indication as to how fast they were going? Were they,
I'm looking, Judge. Checking to see if we have the offense report yet, but it doesn't say it in the DIM.
When a judge says, "No more donuts," he doesn't mean pastries. Houston street racers. This court's got eyes everywhere.
Mr. Negrete?
It doesn't say, Judge, I'm sorry.
Mr. Negrete, I'm going to find you probable cause to go forward with your case. I am now putting a condition on your bond not to participate in any racing, street takeovers, donuts, or reckless driving. If I find that you do this again, I will take away your privilege to drive. Do you understand? Living in a city as big as Houston without the ability to drive is an awful thing. Do you understand there are proper places to do this? 610 or 59 or the tollway, that's not the right place. It's now a condition of your bond. Do you understand? Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
Are you in this country with or without permission?
With permission.
I don't know if you are or not, but if you go to jail and you're not in this country with permission, or if it's expired and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until the case is over with and then shipped off to immigration. Do you understand?
Yes.
Can you file those conditions, no racing and et cetera? We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So first I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. Oh, wait a second. You have a Texas driver license?
Yes.
Do you have liability insurance in your name?
Yes.
Okay, you said you ran a license?
Yeah, it's eligible.
Okay. So I'm going to have you sign a reset, Victoria. We'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it and then we'll send you on your way. When you come back, please have a lawyer.
Right this way.
I wish I could make that coat work for me.
Good.
I wish I could. You know what I'm saying? I can't.
Well, let me tell you, we're not very impressed with Miss Martinez, I guess, huh? Is she here?
Well, they are semi-impressed.
Is that her?
Yes.
Come up, Miss Martinez.
The district attorney has recommended that they extend it, with your permission, 3 months to prove and demonstrate that she can comply with the requirement. She's done everything else. She didn't ever test positive. She just had
Just didn't test.
3 skips and 6 late. That's where she's at. And the CLO was kind enough to give me that information. I asked her if that was her hat over there. She said no.
It's my hat.
Okay.
Yes, so that he's correct. She's completed all of her required classes. She's current on her fees, so she's averaging 4 to 15 skips per month. So they wanted to extend her for 3 months.
She'll have to get a scram. But I will give it to you. She's gonna have to get a scram device so we know. No more skips. Now you must get a scram device, ma'am, so that we know that you're not consuming alcohol. We can't trust you with the device anymore. So we're gonna order you to get a scram device, and then we'll give you the 3-month extension. If you test positive, it's over.
Do I return the device that I have currently, or how does that?
I mean, I'm okay with that. Yeah.
And Your Honor, may it please the court, I mean, she's in school. She's a college student right now. That's a pretty significant expense. Do you think we might be able to either waive it?
I can if I would. I don't know if I can. I don't think so.
I also have other cases on top,
What do you mean,
domestic.
other cases on top?
My ex-partner assaulted me in February, so I'm also dealing with that. And CPS, he assaulted one of my kids this past August. So I'm also dealing with
You
those.
separated from this person, or you know?
Yes, no, we're separated. I have a
She's juggling college, court, CPS, and an abusive ex. This isn't just legal drama, it's life. But no shows on tests. That's the kind of thing that gets cases dropped for the wrong reason.
You know, your partner will use it against you as leverage in CPS cases, in divorce cases, in custody cases, and that's what they do. So you got to be careful. Don't give anybody leverage so that they can use it against you. You know, this is the opportunity that you have, and it's a very great opportunity because if you complete it, the case gets dismissed, and now you're here because you have violations. I'm going to tell you now, it's no tolerance.
Your Honor, may it please the court. Could we, and I understand it's expensive to get that device. Could we set it for, say, if she gets it and then in a month, see how she's doing? Because I mean, she's just struggling as it is.
I'll have it with you. Half the time, a month and a half.
Okay,
No skips. She's doing well. We'll come back. She'll have to have the other device.
okay.
And then I'm down with that, Mike.
Thank you very
But
much.
like I
Your Honor.
said, any positives, and I don't care what it is, there's absolutely no tolerance now. I will not give you anything positive, I will not reset your case anymore, and I'll immediately set your case for trial. You understand? There's just no excuse. If you need to find an outlet, if you are, having a rough time with life in general, there are other releases that you can use. Alcohol is not a good one.
She is, and as I said, she has to modify her behavior so that she tests within the period of time. I mean, they're not indicating so far that she's tested positive. She just,
Well, we don't have blows to prove it. And that's
I
the,
understand that, and that's all the evidence we
that
got.
when you don't test, we make assumptions. And the assumption is that you're drinking, and that's why you don't want to test.
Some of those, I can say that there was a couple of them that were late, not on time, but I did late because my sleep schedule has been off due to college and dealing with, the cases.
The judge he's made the
You
decision.
don't have to
We have to
say,
have it for 45 days. And
you don't, we make assumptions. And
Brown,
so where does she go to get that? Okay,
so Mike, halfway, she's good, then we'll.
thank you. You have a great day.
Thank
All
you.
right.
6 weeks, Jen? 6 weeks?